welcome to the Koko Show. Your girl is gonna do a real quick car bang. Okay, I'm at Roman Roosters. Roman Rooster. I didn't know that they had one in this particular location because it's not that far from me. The other one is. The other location is. But we've been here before. I know me. I probably plugged in the old video or whatever. But we've been here before, and we've had their chicken and their chicken sandwich. And your girl was coming back from somewhere, and I'm starving, so we're gonna eat. So I'm gonna show you what I got, because you know what your girl got. I got my hands because that's all I need, right? And I got some water, and I don't have no what drip guard. I ain't got it, y'all. So Roman Rooster is like halal or something like that, you know, where they kill their food a certain type of way or something like that. Excuse me if I'm overstepping or overreaching with it, because I don't know much about it, but I have heard you know, some things. So but right here, y'all, yeah. Nice. So right here we have the honey butter chicken, so it's just honey butter chicken. It's sauced up. Y'all know how I get when it's you know white stuff and all that with cheddar cheese. Let's take a bite. Look, it's greasy. I don't know if y'all can see that, but let's take a bite. Your girl is hungry. Okay, I think next time I go, and they have different heat levels. The music was so loud in there, plus I left the phone in the car, so I ain't go get. That is disrespectfully good. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? My stomach growling right now. Sharice was saying that to CJ the other day. It was like, during the fine dining, it was like, is your stomach growling while you're eating? Like, girl, mine be just like that. Like, my stomach is growling right now. They're like, oh. Oh, why is it so good? Is the food better in the car sound? I'm hard to get no bite. That's really good. Sorry, I was just looking at myself because I'm in the garage and I like the way this looks. How weird is that? Oh. I'm gonna do some more. One more bite. You wanna take a bite? I'm sorry. How was it? Good? I hope so. I enjoy that sandwich. I really do. It's tender. The cheddar cheese is amazing. Whatever honey butter sauce that is, you get a hint of sweetness, not too much, and the crispiness from the fried chicken. Now, I don't think they do like any grilled or anything. They do have, and I'm gonna try one day. They do have a veggie roux. I think it's called a veggie roux, and it's a like a king mushroom, like the big one or something like that. And on the burger, and it's fried up and everything. I am going to get that because I had something like that from Shake Shack, the mushroom burger, and it wasn't what I thought it was going to be. It was fried, but it had cheese on the inside. It was amazing. I only had it like once or twice. It was amazing. I'm gonna have a piece of fried chicken and then I'm gone. When that water be hitting, it be what? Hitting. Yeah. Ow! I wonder what sauce this is. I wonder if it's like a spicy mayo, because it's definitely not cheese. But let me see. it's pretty good. It tastes like a dressing. And I can't remember what I get Thousand Island vibes from it or whatever. I can't remember which one we me and my ex, I didn't know which one we like them. And this is like a little more of a mustard looking. Like a honey mustard. Alright. So it's only like 3 pieces of chicken. But they, I mean, it's only supposed to be like 3 pieces, but they gave you girl like 5 or 6 or something. Yeah, I knew I was hungry. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh. Hot dish. Love it. I know you ain't supposed to do nothing like that. Look on the thing. I know, I'm sorry. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. It's hot. The games we do. Hold me like that. It's hot. So it come with pickles. Their fried chicken comes with pickles. But one time, and a piece of bread. But one time they like had it on the bread, on the chicken, and I guess they might not do it here, whatever. Which is good because it makes the chicken salty, you know. I wasn't mad, and I was kind of like, well, first of all, why is it even a pickle in here? But yeah, that was the move. That was the move, y'all. This is video number 2 for the day. Y'all know, ooh, scratching pizza. Dang. I keep missing stuff. Give me a little pickle on here. Let's get a little chicken pickle. Hold on. What? Where the bone go? Oh, it was already out. I scared myself with that, y'all. I was like, hold up. You going hard, Koko? Oh, hard. Bones and all, then you hungry? I was like, hold on. Y'all be letting me trip out. Let me tell y'all something real quick. I'm gonna tell y'all a little secret y'all probably already know. What I just ate, you trying to lose weight, that's basically all you need. Get that little fix real quick, a little wing or 2. You good. I'm telling you. You can still enjoy your food, but you ain't gotta eat all of it. Okay? Okay? We gonna get it together, ladies. We gonna come out popping next spring. What's up? I know I am. I'm ready to turn up. That's all I do is turn up. It's crazy. Oh no, I need to be working, because if I ain't working, I'm twerking. I mean, so anyway, I ain't hear that. I'm not gonna go too close to the mic. Okay. So anyway, your girl getting ready to roll out. We got our 10-minute mark anyway. Quick little vid. I love you all. Happy holidays. I don't know what day I'm going to put this on, so I don't want to say a date. I'll just show it in the beginning or whatever. But you already know what your girl got to say. Koko gotta go, though. Hey, Koko gotta go, though. I love you all so much. Thank you for joining me again and again and again. Okay, because for whomever has watched all of these. First of all, I know my sis probably, she gonna try to watch all of them if she ain't watch all of them. And I feel like Soul Food Eats probably gonna try to watch all of them. But once again, thank you so much for rocking with me. I love you all. I'll see you soon. Got to go. Bye.